Hi everyone, I am Naila Bibi, and today I am presenting my AI-powered stock price prediction project. First, here is a quick look at the backend architecture. I have built different Python modules for the LSTM model, the artificial rabbit optimization algorithm, and data preprocessing. Now, let's run the code and check out the live dashboard. This is our main dashboard. As you can see in the sidebar navigation, we have two main sections: single stock prediction, which is open by default, and a multi-stock comparison page. In the data source section, we have two options. We will test the live data from Yahoo Finance first, but you can also upload your own CSV files. Here, we can enter any company's ticker, like AAPL, and select the start and end dates. To improve our model's accuracy, I've integrated the artificial rabbit optimizer. If we increase the iterations from 5 to 6, the model will take a little more time, but it will find the best hyperparameters for better accuracy. Now, let's look at the visual analytics. This first graph shows the market's technical indicators. If I hover here, you can see the exact price, open, high, low, and close values, along with the 20-day simple and exponential moving averages. Below that is the RSI graph, which tells us if a stock is overbought or oversold. For example, here in June 2025, the RSI is around 57. Finally, the MACD graph is used to analyze market trends and momentum through the signal line crossovers. Moving down to the dataset overview, we can easily check the total records and features. From here, we can also explore the raw dataset and download it directly as a CSV file. Now comes the core AI part of the project. Here, our algorithm is optimizing the hyperparameters for the LSTM model. This takes a few moments to load. Once the training is complete, we get our evaluation metrics. As you can see, we have a mean absolute error of $6.57, a mean squared error of $70.61, and a root mean square error of $8.40, which shows great accuracy. Next is the most important part: the future forecasting graph. The solid blue line shows the actual price. The dotted line shows the model's predicted price on test data, and the yellow line shows the 30-day future forecast along with a 95% confidence band. For example, on June 11th, 2026, the actual price was $301.54, and our model predicted $305.74. Below this, we have a day-by-day 30-day forecast table, which automatically generates price changes and buy-or-sell signals. In the summary section, we can see the peak forecast at $321.54, the trough at $282.54, and the overall 30-day trend is bearish. We can easily download this complete AI forecast as a CSV file, just like this. Now, let's switch to the multi-stock comparison dashboard from the sidebar. This feature helps investors compare multiple companies at the same time. The first graph shows historical percentage growth. It normalizes all stocks to 0% for a fair comparison. For example, in March 2026, Apple had a growth of 114%, Microsoft was at 73%, and Google was at 243%. Scrolling down, we have the stock correlation heat map. This helps investors diversify their portfolios. A value of 1.0 means perfect correlation, meaning those stocks move together in the market. Finally, we have the fast 30-day forecasting comparison. When I click Run Fast Forecast, it trains a fast LSTM model for all three stocks at the same time without heavy optimization. Once the loading is complete, this graph gives us a quick comparative forecast. For instance, by August 24th, 2026, Apple is predicted to be at $296, Microsoft at $437, and Google at $324. Lastly, I will go back to the single stock page. If you have your own custom dataset, click Upload and choose your file from your PC. Once uploaded, you can simply select CSV Upload from the sidebar. The model will automatically plot charts, train, and generate forecasts exactly like it did for the live data. Thank you so much for watching.